All right, team, analysis paralysis. What is it and how does it affect me? What's going on, guys? Mario with the Escobedo team here, your local mortgage experts. And in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about analysis paralysis. Okay. I want to talk about this topic because it applies so greatly to my personal scenario when it came to my wife and I purchasing a home of our own. Now, guys, remember, this is coming from somebody that is currently, of course, a licensed mortgage loan originator. I've been a mortgage loan originator licensed in the state of Nevada since the end of 2016, beginning of 2017, and I'm second generation in the mortgage industry. Okay, that means my mom came before me. She's owned multiple mortgage companies herself. She's been a mortgage loan originator herself since 1993, and I've always, throughout my life have been involved with or around the mortgage industry in some way, shape, or form for 3 decades now. So it's been a very, very long time. And you would think, just being in and around the industry for that long, that I would have all of the answers all of the time and make all of the right decisions, right? Well, it doesn't necessarily work like that, okay? I'm a human too. I'm subject to a lot of these feelings, a lot of these thoughts, a lot of these concerns like you are, right? You're whether it's a first-time home buyer, somebody that's owned a home but hasn't owned a home in a while, you're buying a home again, some time has passed, whatever the case may be, or whatever the scenario is, you may be victim of analysis paralysis, right? We can all stand on the sidelines and be, hypercritical of everything that's going on without ever getting involved ourselves. But what happens when we do that, guys? Playing from the sidelines or being armchair quarterback, we never actually get to reap any of the rewards or benefits of taking that next step forward. Okay. Now, I'm always preaching and always advocating for as soon as you're able to make it happen, speak with a local mortgage broker, professional, somebody that can guide you through the process. But as soon as you're able to look into the benefits of home ownership, I greatly encourage you to do so right away. Why do I say that, you ask? Okay. Everyone has to live somewhere, guys, and you're otherwise paying a monthly rent payment to a landlord that on the other side of the coin is taking advantage of and benefiting from all of the benefits of home ownership thanks to you. So again, why do we not do that for ourselves? Okay. Much of the time, that's because of analysis paralysis. We worry about what if home prices go down? What if interest rates come down even more? What if something happens to us, 6 months from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now? What if we buy a house with our spouse or our girlfriend and we, break up or whatever the case may be? The list is endless, guys. Literally, you can go on and on and on and come up with every excuse of why now is not the right time. And trust me, all you're doing is getting in your own way. Okay. Do yourself a favor. Take a deep breath. Let's relax. Let's chill. And let's get out of our own way, guys. I promise you, by taking advantage of the opportunities that present themselves to you, whether it be in this particular market or whether that be just across the board, now is the time to make that first step forward. Again, let me get back to my exact personal scenario where, again, I've been a licensed loan originator and in the, mortgage business myself since the beginning of 2017. I'm helping first-time home buyers each and every single day. I work with real estate partners of mine each and every single day, and I am immersed in the real estate and mortgage industry. And even with that being said, guys, I waited 5 years into my mortgage career personally to be ready to finally say, now's the time where I'm comfortable to purchase a home of my own. And of course, I did that alongside my wife after we got married in March of 2020, literally right before COVID. Insane, I know, but I wish we had done so sooner. I wish that, my wife and I went from a condo to a 2-bedroom house to then a 3-bedroom house to then where we're at now, purchasing the home that we currently own. And, to be honest with you, that entire time, had we purchased a home when we originally started dating, let's say in 2011 or 12, when there was all of the opportunity in the world. Well, we were coming out of the Great Recession at that time, and it was relatively difficult to get a home loan. However, if you were able to and you had the ability to qualify for a home loan, you had all of the opportunity available to you, right? Those homes that would have been purchased in 2011 or 12 have since doubled, tripled in value, guys. It's an insane amount of opportunity that you're passing up when those opportunities present themselves, okay? That's why I'm trying to reiterate and remind everyone all of the time to take advantage of these opportunities when you are ready. Being ready means that you don't have any obstacles in your way and you're actually able to move forward. Analysis paralysis means you're doing everything in your power to stop yourself from moving forward. Does that make sense? We don't want to ever stop ourselves from moving forward. We want to allow the natural occurrence, the natural flow of life to happen, okay? We have a job, we're making money, we have employment history, we have some savings in the bank. It's time to purchase a house. It's time to set some roots down, and it's time to start taking advantage of this American dream that's been laid forth for decades and decades and decades now. This is how wealth is created and generated for the average American household and family. Whether you're an individual person in that household or you have a family of your own, you just got married, you're having kids, whatever the case may be, this is the first step to starting your financial future, guys. It would be near impossible for you to just earn income without ever owning assets and setting yourself up for retirement comfortably 20, 30, 40 years down the road. You have to start accumulating assets, guys, and you have to start by doing that with home ownership, okay? Get out of your own way, allow the natural flow of life to happen. If you can make it happen, make it happen. Work with a local mortgage broker, somebody that has your back, somebody that truly invests themselves in your future, whether that means through education, teaching you how these systems work, how these programs will benefit you, what each and every different program means to you and your family, what to expect throughout the loan process, and then at the finale, what will your future look like with said asset, with the mortgage payment, with the possibility of, equity in the future. What can you do with that equity? How can you help grow that nest egg as it continues to age? Analysis paralysis, guys. Try to get out of your own way and stop putting those roadblocks and barriers in place when they are not needed, okay? You can make every excuse in the world to not do something today, when each and every single day the future is just passing us by. Mario with the Escobedo team here, your local mortgage experts. Guys, please make sure you reach out to a local mortgage broker, somebody that has different programs available to you, whether you're a first-time home buyer, whether you're someone that's owned 30 homes in the past, whether you're an investor, somebody, again, has your back and that will do everything in their power to help. Guys, do me a favor, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and in the comments down below, let me know if you and your family are homeowners. When did you guys buy your house? How long did it take you to decide to buy a house? And if not, what is stopping you from owning a home of your own? Is it analysis paralysis, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Have a wonderful day.